Hello, fellow Gallivanters, and welcome to this episode of Gallivant with Chris and Tony. Today, we're turning up the heat with a behind-the-scenes tour of one of the most iconic flavor factories in the world, Tabasco sauce, right here on Avery Island in Louisiana. This isn't just a factory tour, it's a journey through time. From the pepper plants to the barrel-aging warehouse, we'll show you how tradition and innovation come together to create a sauce that's loved around the world. We're also going to do some shopping in their gift shop and then have some lunch at the 1868 restaurant that's right here on the property. So grab your virtual tour pass and let's check out the spicy legacy of Tabasco. Trust us, this is one flavor journey you don't want to miss. We started out from New Orleans for our scenic drive to Avery Island, which will take us about 2 hours to get there from New Orleans. The drive takes us through sugarcane fields that stretch to the horizon. When you arrive at the main gate of the compound, you'll be given a card to put on your dash for parking. Parking is easy and you'll see the signs for the museum tour. Prices are $15.50 per adult, which includes the self-guided tour and admission to the Jungle Gardens, which are adjacent to the Tabasco Factory. The museum and grounds are open from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. A note here, they do only accept debit or credit cards. No cash is accepted. The tour is self-guided, so you can spend as much time that you want in each area. The tour stations are well marked by numbers. The grounds are beautiful and easily accessible. Now, to give you a little history about this famous spicy sauce, Tabasco was born in 1868 when Edwin McIlhenny, a former banker in New Orleans, obtained some fiery seeds from a soldier returning from Mexico. He then planted these seeds in his in-law's garden, who conveniently had a natural salt mining business at that time on Avery Island. He then mashed the peppers with the salt and then aged the mash in oak barrels with some vinegar. The result was a bold, tangy sauce that would go on to spice up meals across the globe. The McIlhenny family still owns and operates the company to this day, and they've kept the original recipe and process virtually unchanged for over 150 years.
Tabasco guitar owned by Van Halen bassist Michael Anthony.
Number 2.
This way to stop to directional. So you know where we're going. On to number 2. Bear frequenting area. There's a Yogi and Boo Boo out there somewhere.
So from 2008.
Nice.
Hello, little Froggy.
Pepper origins, pepper plants. Smells like peppers. A good old jalapeno pepper. Tabasco pepper. Habanero pepper. The end of a process that spans 5 years from seed to sauce.
From there, we would have to restart a barrel, make sure there's a 1-way barrel top.
Ages it for 3 years. just the same. Oh yeah, it's just the same.
You're going to the barrel. Alright, we're gonna go view the barrels. Actual Tabasco. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh my god, the smell. It smells like burnt something.
That's a lot of barrels. Start way over here, all the way down. Wow. Now we're on our way to the fourth part of the tour. Entering their building here. Way to the blending and the Avery Island experience, the salt mine experience. Peppers. Hello, peppers. By appointment to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, supplier of Tabasco sauce, McElhaney Company, USA. You going here? Oh, that's 5. Blending. And you can already smell it.
And smell it.
It's a big pepper. Welcome to blending.
Here in blending, Tabasco pepper mash undergoes the final steps to becoming Tabasco sauce. The mash is drained, and the liquid is mixed with high-quality distilled vinegar and stirred intermittently in large wooden vats for 2 to 3 weeks. The result is Tabasco Original Red Pepper Sauce. But it isn't ready for bottling.
Look at that. Sucks it right up. Smell the smell. Feel the burn.
Oh.
Wow.
Can you just push this button?
Yeah, you push this button here,
Yeah.
and there's a fan that sucks the air out from down there and blows it into here.
Oh, cow. That is some sauce. Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
All the blends. Interesting. Very interesting. Now we're at the Avery Island experience. Life on the island.
And call home. We're proud of the Tabasco pepper sauce we made since the 1800s.
Stop 6, Salt Mine Experience.
Where we come from is a place where traditions are preserved, and so too the land.
Salt evaporated from the brine springs in Avery. What's going on in here?
Now, understandably, it was the weekend, so nobody was working at the time, but it still was very interesting to see where the bottles get labeled, and you'll also see a count here of how many bottles were done on that particular day, which probably was the Friday before, which is quite an impressive number of bottles that flow through this factory on a daily basis. You see 48,130. So that just goes to show you in a day, figure that over a year, how many bottles are produced and sent out all over the world.
It's amazing, man.
The Tabasco Country Store. Yeah, got a variety of things in here. Personalized bottles. Thank you, congrats. Bottle holder. Book. Street signs. Spoon rests. Spicy caramel corn.
You might have to get that, just saying.
Magnets. Coffee mugs.
Older thing with all of them. That's pretty cool.
Towels, gloves. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Look at the little crawfish.
Oh, got a little. Ooh. An apron, that's nice. It's not bad, $19.99 for an apron. These are kids. Ooh, they have garlic and buffalo. We'll be getting some garlic and buffalo. All right, we're gonna try some of these. Go from mild to the hottest. We got scorpion. Scorpion being the hot. We got habanero. The family reserve. The classic. Sriracha. Ooh, the roasted pepper. Bet that'd be good.
Alright, so here
Chipotle.
is the raspberry chipotle.
I'm good with that. I don't know.
Oh. Interesting. Good. Alright, everyone, we are trying the crab cake and the red beans and rice. And you've got all of the hot sauces here, basically, that they sell in the store.
Try picante right now.
The picante, we did buy a bottle of that one. That was really good. We also did the sweet and spicy sauce, also their family reserve. Overall, everything is really good, really tasty.
That's a good crab cake.
It's a good crab cake. And the red beans and rice aren't too bad either. All in all, very good.
So this concludes our tour at Tabasco here at Avery Island, Louisiana.
And it's amazing.
It was really good. Very good tour. Yeah, lots of history with it.
Informative, lots of history.
Yeah, the food in the cafe was real good. Get to try all the sauces.
All of them.
I think it was really good.
I think I did 4, maybe.
Yeah.
But
And if we could only
super hot.
record the smell of that stuff, it's really good.
It's,
I mean, it's
it's
pretty
like you're
potent.
smelling a bottle of Tabasco.
Very potent.
But the grounds are gorgeous, and overall, it's only $15 a person to do this with the garden tour.
And you are here in Louisiana, which is black bear country, so be aware.
Black bear country.
Don't plan on just having a
and
picnic.
We did see the little baby alligator.
Yeah, yeah, it's true. We did see a baby alligator. So don't plan on just having a little picnic out here without expecting some visitors to come along.
Right.
Yeah.
Stay on the
So-
path.
So again, if you're in this part of the country, stop on
Wow, you
by.
can smell it now.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
I want to give a little shout out to our nephew Wyatt up in Idaho.
Yes.
Wyatt, come on down here to Tabasco Factory tour.
Yes.
Try it out. And don't forget to hit that like button. We
And
appreciate
subscribe.
it, and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment. If anybody's been here.
We do answer all the comments.
Yes. So, yeah, leave a comment if you've been here, what your experience was. If you have any questions about it as well, be glad to answer any questions. Have a great day.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.